Hello students, today we solve the definite integral, that is to find the numerical integration by using the trapezoidal rule. Okay, so see here first example. I read the example. Find the area bounded by the curve f of x and the x-axis from x is equal to 7.47 to 7.52 from the following data. Okay, so here we have to given that the values of x from 7.47 to 7.52, and at that point we have to given that the value of the curve, that is the function f of x, will be these values. Okay, that is we have to given here the set of data points, and from that we have to find the value of the integral. Okay, that is here we have to obtain the area bounded by the curve. Here to find the area bounded by the curve, that means to find the integration from f of x dx from x is equal to 7.47 to 7.52. Okay, so we write here to find area bounded by curve y is equal to f of x, that is to find integration from x is equal to 7.47 to integration x is equal to 7.52 f of x dx. Okay, then here we find this integration by using the trapezoidal rule. Okay, we know that the formula trapezoidal rule, if we have to given the set of data points, then we can find the definite integral on given closed interval. Okay, so here we find by using this integration, we find by using trapezoidal rule. Okay, so we know that the trapezoidal rule is integration from x0 to xn. Okay, but here if we consider values of x, here we have to given that values of x will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if we consider that values are suppose this is x0, then this is x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5, that is we take here integration from x0 to x5 y dx or f of x dx is equal to, okay, and we consider the values of y will be, that is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and this is the y5. Okay, then the trapezoidal rule becomes for this set of data points x0 to x5 y dx is equal to h divided by 2 in bracket addition of extreme ordinates. Okay, we write here formula first in word, addition of extreme ordinates plus 2 times addition of remaining ordinates, that is values of the y. Okay, so we have to given here h divided by 2. Here ordinates are y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. So extreme ordinates are, that is at the extreme point x0 and x5 will be y0 and y5. So addition of extreme ordinate, that is y0 plus y5. Okay, plus 2 times addition of remaining ordinates, that is the middle ordinate. So 2 in bracket remaining ordinates are y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus, okay, up to so on, y5 will be the extreme. Okay, so bracket complete. Okay, and here if we observe the values of x will be here given that 7.47, 7.48, 7.49. So if we consider here any two kg values of x and their difference, that is x1 minus x0, then we have to get that here I write h will be here 0.01. Okay, see here from these values of x, we know that the values of x which are equally distributed by the difference h, and here these values are distributed by the difference h is equal to 0.01. Okay, So we have to get h will be 0.01. Then we put all these value here. Okay, so h will be here 0.01 divided by 2 in bracket addition of extreme ordinate. Value of y0 will be 1.92 plus y5 will be 2.06. Okay, plus 2 in bracket addition of remaining ordinates will be value of y1 will be 1.95, value of y2 will be again 1 point. Okay, sorry, here value of white one will be given that 1.95 and value of y2, I will take a mistake here, value of y2 will be given that 1.98. Then value of y3, that is at point x3, will be given that 2.01. okay, so here will be 2.01, not 1.98. okay, so 2.01, and here at this point value will be 2.03. okay, so we write all that value 1.95 plus 1.98 plus 2.03 plus 2.06. okay, so by adding these all values and taking this calculation, we have to get the last answer, that is 0.0996. okay, that is the integration from x0 to x5 y dx. okay, and so the value of area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x will be this, that is this integration. okay, so in this way we use the trapezoidal rule to find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x and the x-axis from the given set of data points. okay, then we see the next example. okay, so I write here example, next example, evaluate. okay, see here, evaluate integration from 0 to pi x into sin x dx using the trapezoidal rule by dividing the interval 0 to pi into 5 equal subintervals. okay, we have to find I is equal to integration from 0 to pi x into sin x dx using the trapezoidal rule. okay, by dividing the interval 0 to pi, we have to given that interval will be 0 to pi into 5 equal interval. We have to divide this interval into 5 equal subintervals. okay, so for that, here we take value of h, that is the length of values of x will be equally distributed by the difference h. We take the value h will be equal to b minus a divided by n. By using this formula we find the value of h. okay, but here we have to given that the condition is that we have to divide this interval into 5 equal subintervals, that is we have to take here n is equal to 5. We have to divide this 0 to pi into 5 equal subintervals. okay, okay, so n subintervals, that is here will be 5. so b will be here, that is the value of extreme point will be 5 pi, a will be 0 divided by 5. so we have to get h is equal to pi by 5. okay, so by using the, okay, so h is equal to, we get pi divided by 5 and h is equal to pi by 5. so we have to get the values of x are x0 is equal to, we have to given that 0. then we use the formula xi is equal to x0 plus I h. okay, so we have to get the next values will be x1 is equal to x0 plus, I have to get x1 is equal to x0 plus I will be h, that is x0 plus h, that is x0 will be here pi by 0, sorry, x0 will be here 0 plus pi by 5, that is we get will be equal to x1 is equal to pi by 5. Similarly in this way we have to get x1, then x2 is equal to pi by 5 plus pi by 5. okay, adding with this, adding here in this x1 with h to get pi by 5 plus pi by 5, that is we get 2 pi by 5. then x3 is equal to, we get 3 pi by 5. then x4 is equal to, we get 4 pi by 5, and then last x5 is equal to, we get 5 pi by 5, that is the pi. okay, so at that points we find the value of the function y. Okay, so we have to get the set of data points x, and y is equal to function will be x into sine x. Okay, so values of x will be 0, then pi by 5, then 2 pi by 5, then 3 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5, and last will be the pi, 5 pi by 5, that is pi. Okay, so using this function x into sine x, if we put value of x will be here 0, so 0 into sine 0 we get 0. Okay, then using x is equal to pi by 5, and after this calculation we have to get the value of y is equal to x sine x will be 0.369316. Okay, then at 2 pi by 5 we get value of y will be 1.19513. Okay, then at 3 pi by 5 we get 1.7927, and at 4 pi by 5 we get the value of y will be 1.47727, and at pi, that is x will be, x is equal to pi, and sine pi will be 0, so pi into 0 we get again here at the pi value of y will be 0. Okay, so we have to get this will be the set of data points. Okay, then using the set of data points and the trapezoidal rule to find the integration from 0 to pi. Okay, so I write the first formula. So by using trapezoidal rule, again trapezoidal rule, here we consider value of these will be, y will be, this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, and last one will be y5. So we have to get the integration from x0 to x5, x into, here function will be x into sine x dx, that is integration from x0 will be here 0, x5 will be pi, so 0 to pi, x into sine x dx is equal to h divided by 2 in bracket addition of extreme coordinates, that is y0 plus y5 plus 2 in bracket addition of remaining coordinates, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. Okay, then we have to put simply the values here. H will be equal to, we find here h will be pi by 5, so pi by 5 into this 2, that is we get here pi by 10. Okay, and in bracket value of y0 will be here 0 plus y5 is also 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 2 in bracket value of y1 will be here, that is 0.369316 plus 1.19513 plus 1.7927 plus 1.47727 bracket complete. Okay, and again by simplifying this, after this calculation we have to get the value of integration will be 3.3.03755. Okay, so in this way we have to get the value of this numerical definite integral on the interval, close interval 0 to pi by taking h is equal to pi by 5 will be this. Okay, here we divide the given interval will be 0 to pi, we have to given that we have to divide this interval into 5 equal sub intervals, that is n will be equal to 5, so we take here h is equal to b minus a divided by n is equal to b minus a divided by n, so we have to get h is equal to pi by 5, and then here we find the values of x by using this h, and again using these values of x we find the value of the function at these points, that is we have to get here set of data points, and from that we using trapezoidal rule find the numerical integration. Okay.